Get on the treadmill. Get on the treadmill. Get your running on. You feel me? Tones of your body. Open up your lungs. I've been jogging like 12 miles, 13 miles since I was a kid, so this is regular to me, you know, since I was like 13. I jogged, run the park like 3 times, 4 times, and remember Parker Park is 4.5 miles, so what that tells you. So 3 times I said, that's like 12 miles, 13 miles, you feel me? Add that up, good to run, you know, throw some sweat off. I put it up the hill like 2, you feel me? I try not to put too much numbers up on the hill, you feel me? I try to put it on like 2, stuff like that. The tones of your body, like, you feel me? That's what I've been working out since I was a kid, so it's like this, my body needs it, it wants it, feel me? I could slack off, but I gotta get back to it. The halals on my side as well. You feel me? Find your motivation. Find something you like doing, you feel me? Inhale, exhale. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. So that's how you like it. Control your breathing. There we go. Just make sure you slow it down. When you regain your energy, slow it down. Start walking again. Feel me? It's cool. Go by your own pace. Go by your own pace. Breathe. Pick up the pace now. Pick up the pace back. Feel me? Pick up the pace. You feel me? Pick up the pace. That's how you do it, like low, mid, high, low, mid, high, like that. So that's how you get your stamina and your endurance up. I'm gonna pick it up to 6.0. You feel me? So then I pick it up to 7.0, 8. I mean to 6.5. 6.6, you know, 6.5, 6.6. Make sure you eat healthy. Make sure it's salad, no pork on your fork. Salad, tomatoes, tuna. If you like seafood, if you don't, little grill. But make sure not peppery. Like, you be careful on your seasoning. The seasoning you use, but it builds high blood pressure. So that's vinegar, that's all. And mostly everything organic. Or go to your wholesome, whole food, whatever you call it, you know, Lincoln Market. How you pick it up? The 7.2, pick it up. See how I'm in the middle now, like, I'm like this, see? How you pick it up. And put it 8.0. Dash on me. Dash on me. Dash on me. Dash on me. Like sprint. Ooh, this feel good. Feel good. Working out, like, as you keep going, it makes your body feel good. Feel me? 8.5. All right, slow it down. Slow it down. Woo. That's all, folks. The treadmill.